everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make a flower. All you need is a piece of green, 2 toothpicks, and pink. Now let's do it. Are you ready? You take the green and you take 2 toothpicks. You put them in and then you take pieces of pink. First of all, you take a bowl and put it on the toothpick. Don't make it too small, don't make it too big. Just like this. Then you bring out a piece of pink and you put it on the flower. Next, you take a little piece of pink and you put it on the bowl, surrounding the bowl. Put another one. Repeating the process. Now when you finish the bowl, put the piece of pink, also surrounding the bowl, above the other pebbles. Beautiful. Now we'll do the other one. All done. If I can do it, you can do it.